let's open this. I'm so worried. Oh, she smells wonderful. Who knows? Stay tuned. This is so cute, guys. So, hi guys, so I'm back with a video. Haven't filmed in a couple of weeks and I have missed you guys. I have a little parcel here from the Boxing Day sale to share with you. This is the first of, I want to say 5 parcels maybe that's coming. This is the only one that has been dispatched, the rest of them haven't. Obviously with the Lush Boxing Day sale, I'd rather not have placed multiple orders. Like, I don't like doing that really, nobody does I think, but they re-upload things, they calculate stock again and put stuff back on the website so you can get stuff that you've missed, which is what I ended up doing. So yeah, I do have 4 more parcels on the way. I was going to do a giveaway in this video. Obviously I don't have the other parcels at this minute, but I was gonna just show you what is going to be in the giveaway and then give the option to enter in this video. But unfortunately my parcel has arrived a little worse for wear, so I don't know what's going to be inside it and what isn't. I will quickly show you. I mean, it feels weighty, but Yodel, honest to God, every time I order with Yodel they mess something up. Like, people moan about Every, but they're the only company that don't F my shit up. But this is what we're working with. So I don't know. It wasn't meant to come either. On my Yodel it said it was meant to be delivered, and then it said chat with us on the live chat, we can't find your address. And some guy was like, oh, they can't find you. My address is the easiest address to find, so we'll have to rearrange for tomorrow. I was like, for fuck's sake. And then it just randomly showed up on my doorstep. So yeah, we'll see what's inside. Hopefully it's all in there. But yeah, I was going to do the giveaway on this one, but I don't want to risk it in case like the other bits don't come and then I can't give it you. Like I said, I'm gonna have to do a couple of videos of these hauls as well. So this is the first haul, and then depending on what comes next, there might be 1 or 2 more videos of Boxing Day hauls. I hope that's okay with you guys. And then I've got my kitchen box should be coming perhaps tomorrow or the next day. And then I also have a big order of the Valentine's Day stuff, which should come as well. So you've got a few videos of hauls and new things, which is exciting, I guess. So yeah, let's open this. I'm so worried. Okay, so I guess I'll get my invoice out and then we'll just check off as we go, and hopefully it's all in there. I ain't got much hope, I'm not gonna lie. So first up, I've got a couple of, well, a few bags, which is handy. These are new bags by the looks of it. Lovely. I don't know if I remember asking for those, but fabulous. We can always use bags. First up, I grabbed a Lord of Misrule shower gel. This is the medium sized one, so it's originally meant to be 17 and I got it for £8.50. I figured whilst in the sale, you know, get a lovely medium sized one. Lord of Misrule is just one of my absolute fave scents from Lush. It's just a really sort of earthy but herbal scent. It's got a little bit of sweetness in there. It's gorgeous. It's patchouli and black pepper, but honestly, fabulous scent. Love that I've got that. Then I got a little Snow Fairy body lotion. I did have some issues on Boxing Day ordering stuff as well. Like, I did forget about the sale. Me and my partner, obviously it was Christmas evening, so me and my partner were having a couple of drinks and it got way past midnight and I was like, oh god, I forgot about the Boxing Day sale. So I ended up ordering one order which went through. I bought a gift set which went through full price, so I had to cancel that and then reorder this stuff. But by the time I'd reordered this, half the stuff I wanted had gone. So it was a bit of a palaver. I think a lot of people had a palaver, but never mind. I got a small lotion, which is better than nothing. I think this one was originally 6 down to 3. Yes. So it's just your little pot of Snow Fairy. These ones don't tend to last me that long, to be perfectly honest with you, unfortunately. But I'm a bigger gal, so to be expected. But with these, I'll probably use this on my feet or something because I'm running out of foot lotion. But yeah, love this. Snow Fairy is that gorgeous candy-like scent. Really, really strong. I find the Snow Fairy to be so strong recently. Like, I used a whole bath of Snow Fairy the other day, like 5 or 6 products, and I was coughing a little bit because it was so strong. Next up, I got 2 of these. So these are the Snow Angel Quiet Shower Jellies, sorry. And I have the small one of this that was in my advent calendar, but I had to get a big one. It smells so good. So it is of course, the lovely Super Milk scent. Sorry guys, do ignore my hair. I haven't done it. It's a bit on the mental side. Can we get this out? Is this going to get juice everywhere? That is juicy. She's a big girl. That is very hard to show. So I've got her. Oh, she smells wonderful. I may as well just tell you guys now, I've got 2 of these because one of them is for you in the giveaway. So this one I've touched will be mine, and the one that is untouched over there I will put to one side and it will be for you guys. I'll try not to ruin the giveaway all too much, like by telling you, but with that one there's 2 of them, so it's quite obvious that one of them is for you guys. But yeah, stay tuned for the giveaway. I'll hopefully do it in my next video. If all the stuff is in here, I will feel a bit more confident, hopefully, in the parcel system. So I'll do it in my next video if all the goodies are in here. So this one's mine. I'll pop him on the shelf so I know that's mine. We might be all right. I don't know. There's a gaping hole in it. I'd be surprised if something isn't missing. Next up, I grabbed a Dreaming of a White Christmas bath bomb. This was originally £6 and it was down to £3. Lovely. I really like this one. I did get one of these over the Christmas period and I did try it out and it was very nice in the bath. I think I tried to film a demo, but my camera was doing something funny or it cut out or something. I can't quite remember. So I don't have a demo of this one. I mean, I can still do one. It's probably a bit irrelevant considering you probably can't get it now, but yeah. This is quite a hard scent to describe. Ever so slightly minty. I think last time I had this, I described it as sort of, it's a tiny bit like aftershavey as well. It's a nice strong Powell scent though. It will fill your whole bathroom with gorgeous scent. Love that one. Next up, I got one of the Catch Me If You Can bath bombs, originally £5.50 and we got it for £2.75. Looks like that. Love this guy. I used him over Christmas. I can't remember if I filmed him or not. Oh, Celebrate scented. So Celebrate is that gorgeous, lovely, really rich orange scent, like a really decadent orange. Smells super duper strong. So it's bath bomb down this bit here. Well, the whole thing is bath bomb, and then I think it's just got a little coating on the top of bath melt. So I'll add a bit of moisture to the bath as well. Love that one. I wish I got a couple more of those, but maybe I did in my other hauls actually. I might have done. Who knows? Stay tuned. I'm going through this really slow because I don't want to be disappointed when half of it's probably not in here, but never mind. Next up that I'm plucking out, I got a, what are you called? He's a bit worse for wear. A Damas del Sol reusable bubble bar, which was £10 down to £5, so I got it for a £5. He's not faring too well on this stick. Not gonna lie, this was going to be in the giveaway for you guys as well, but I'm not going to send you that because it's a bit tattered. You don't be wanting that, do you? I'll keep this one. This is Guardian of the Forest scented. Not usually the biggest fan of it, but it actually smells quite nice in this. Not as overpowering or strong. I can live with that. So a little reusable bubble bar. This is very weighty. Nice big one. Yeah, I like that scent in this. You know me, I'm very odd. So sometimes I don't like a scent in a certain product, but in another product I do like it. Quite like it in that, you know. Very good, very nice. Next up, I got 2 of these. So these are the Star of Wonder bath bombs. So both of them were originally 13 together and I got them for £6.50 together. I'm not doing the math on that one. So we've got 2 of these beauties. So really pretty. And then it's got colours along the side that sort of spew out in a nice little star pattern. My hands are covered in stuff and I do ignore it, guys. I do apologise. This I did get in my calendar, but I think in my calendar, unfortunately, it was a little bit of a dud and it didn't like foam away as it usually should. It was a bit bitty and not what I think it should have performed like. So I'm excited to try one of these out now and hopefully it performs a little better than the one in the calendar. Can't really smell that actually. I can't actually really smell this very well. I don't know if I'm just a bit overpowered by all the other scents. What scent is this, guys, if you do know? I genuinely can't smell it. Unusual, but we've got 2 of those. Then I grabbed, I think this is the Christmas soap. This is Christmas pudding soap. So it's originally £5.50 and we got it for £2.50. This smells very familiar. I would have done a video on all of the Christmas products, wouldn't I? And I would have said the scent. Is that Godmother? No, it can't be Godmother. What is this? Ever so familiar. Do let me know if you guys off the top of your head know what the scent is of this, because I can't for the life of me remember it, but it's very lovely. No, it's really familiar. It's sweet and a bit fruity and a bit cakey as well. I don't know, but I'm very happy with that. £2.50, can't go wrong for a soap. This feels very, like, it's gonna be nice and moisturising as well, which is good. Another soap that I grabbed a Snow Fairy soap. I think, like, obviously not a lot of people love Snow Fairy. Well, I know a lot of people do love Snow Fairy, but a lot of people are over the Snow Fairy hype. But I still love it. I like it. This one was, I believe, £2.50 as well. So yeah, this, sorry, was £5.50 and I got it for £2.75. But I think even this might be on the website now still. I think there might be a few left. There's a few bits that just aren't selling out, that obviously aren't as popular, but we've got one of those. So I'm going to be good for soaps for a while, I think, which is good. Everything's covered in dust, like bath bomb dust. Now I got 2 of these, and I'm not going to lie to you guys, I think I did it on accident. I think I was in such a rush to get everything that I accidentally put 2 of these in my basket and I didn't realise. But I'm not mad. It is the Lord of Misrule body spray. Sorry, it's just all got stuff all over it. So yeah, got 2 of them. I'm gonna sniff it first, like, let's sniff. That's beautiful. Gorgeous. Now, obviously, I don't know if the other parcel's going to turn up okay. I was going to keep both of these for myself, but I don't know. One of these might be in the giveaway. Maybe. I mean, if it's something you want in the giveaway, let me know. Do let me know. But yeah, got one of those, well, 2 of those. So they were usually 25, half price was £12.50. 2 of them together was 25. So it's pretty much like buy one, get one free, I suppose, wasn't it? Next up, I only got a small one of these. I do have a gift set in here as well to share with you guys. I got a Snow Fairy Glow Fairy shower gel, originally £8 down to £4. I didn't get this when it originally came out. I just got the 2-tone one because I didn't want to go wild on Snow Fairy. When it all smells the same scent, I just don't see the point. I just picked the one that I like the look of the most and I got that one. But this one was in the sale, managed to grab it, figured why not. It smells almost a tiny bit creamier than regular, but that's very, very nice. Right, so I've got the gift set left to show you. There is one thing. Is there one thing missing? Is there more than one thing missing? There is just one thing missing. And it is a Snow Queen bath bomb. I mean, it was originally £3.75 down to £1.87. Do I email Lush over £1.87? Probably not. I don't know. Should I? It seems a bit arsey. I mean, the box was broke. That's Yodel's fault though, isn't it? What do I do? What do I do, guys? One thing's missing, so it's not the end of the world. Let me show you this gift set we got. Again, I think this gift set might even still be on the website, but it's really cute. It is, what are you called? It's called Penguin's Christmas Party Gift Set. It was £24 and I got it for £12. And it's just adorable. I'm totally keeping this gift box. So it comes in a little, like, book. Sorry, I tried to not look at it so it focuses. But yeah, I think this is precious. So it's a little cardboard book. You've got your details here of what's inside. Let's open it and have a look, shall we? Ooh. We've got some little bows. Then I guess you open this bit. Ooh, voucher. Love it. So in all the gift sets now, pretty much, you get a little 10% off voucher. So these are valid in store only. And it lasts a whole year. So that's great. So pop that in my purse and get ready for the next time we go in store. Let's open this up. This is so cute, guys. So this bit, sorry, it's really hard to show you. This bit comes off. And then you've got a little booklet here, which is precious. Let's have a look. Product list there. And then a very cute little booklet. I feel like this is aimed at kids, like a kids gift set. Yes. Oh, it's got colouring. Oh my god, I would totally do those if I had. Do I have pens? I might have pens. Colouring pages. That's precious. If these are still on the website, I'd probably recommend going and grabbing some of these for presents. Like, is this totally Christmas? Oh, it is Christmas, isn't it? But packing peanuts, let's get those out. So they're all in there like that, looking very cute. Let's just get them out and show you. I mean, you probably all know what these are. You've got a Gravy Snow Fairy one. I was looking in the camera and I thought her cheeks were her eyes. I was like, wow, she's looking a bit funny, isn't she? Got one of those. Standard Snow Fairy scent. Beautiful, can't go wrong. Then we've got a Magical Santa. Stunning. Very nice scent. Loads of colours in that. Makes very pretty bath art. Nice bright pink back. Can't remember what the scent of this one is, you know, but it's got lemon oil in it, rosewood, lemon myrtle, raspberry powder. It's very fruity, bit zingy, very nice. We've got a penguin bath bomb. I love this one. This is the olive branch scent. The olive branch is like, it is a citrus scent it's classed as, but it's very, very unique citrus to me. It's like citrus with this edge. It's a very, to me, a manly edge, like aftershave-y again. Oh, it's a very, very unique, beautiful, would recommend scent. And then finally, we've got the Sleepy Bear bath bomb in here. Oh, yes. Oh, love it. It is, I think it is just the Sleepy scent, or the Sleepy Bear scent. Stunning. So basically lavender, I think there's some other stuff in there. What's in there? Lavender, tonka, ylang ylang. It is just predominantly a very relaxing lavender scent, and he's a cute little bear just chilling like a villain. He's a little bit broke at the back, but that's fine. So we'll try him out together as well. Right then, so I mean, considering the parcel was absolutely hanging open, one missing item isn't the worst thing in the world, and it's the cheapest one I got, so I can't be too mad. I would be very angry if it was like the body spray or the shower jellies. I would have been miffed, but it's not, so I think we'll be fine. Should I email Lush about the parcel? I don't really know. I feel like that's, should I? Let me know, guys. I don't know. So yeah, what I'll do is, so I was going to do the giveaway at the end of this video, but I feel like I've said I'm not going to now, so next video, the next haul that comes. So basically I've done one massive haul next. There was one with 2 bits that were for you guys, and then 2 more after that, which were again 2 quite big ones. So I might just do all of that in one if it comes close together, or if not, I'll split them into 2, and in the next video I'll do the giveaway of the bits that I'm going to give away. I think I've done like 6-7 bits maybe, but if that interests you, do stay tuned until I do the next video. Do let me know down below what you guys managed to get your little hands on in the Boxing your little hands on what you got your hands on in the Boxing Day sale. I love knowing what everyone managed to get, because I feel like I was late to the party, so I want to know, people who are early to the party, what did you guys get? Because a lot of the stuff, the new orders that I've had to be placing, is the stuff that I really wanted coming back into stock. So I have got all of what I wanted pretty much, bar one thing, which was the Peppermint Delight, but I have managed to get some of that off Vinted, so I'm not mad. But yeah, I feel like I haven't filmed in ages, and I feel like I'm a bit like all over the place, but never mind. I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless. I hope you had the most fantastic Christmas, by the way, and New Year's, I forgot to say. Yeah, I hope you and your families, or whoever you celebrated with, had a wonderful time. I love you all very much, and I'll see you in my next video, which might be, if you're in luck, tomorrow or the next day. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.